In today's video, I will show you through the process of installing the top-tier custom ROM for Android devices in 2025. This is Lineage OS 22.1 based on Android 15. It's a widely used custom ROM built on the Android open source project supporting over 100 plus Android devices. It's especially great for older devices that no longer get official support from manufacturers. Not only does Lineage OS offer security updates to fix vulnerabilities, but it also gives you access to the latest Android features and improvements. Before we begin, let's see the requirements for installing Lineage OS on your Android device. You need a compatible Android device or tablet. You can verify if your device is supported by visiting this website. Now, these are the devices from different vendors that are compatible running latest Lineage OS based on Android 15. You also need a computer running Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, a USB cable to connect your device to the computer, and lastly, you need a faster internet connection. Before installing Lineage OS on your Android device, it's highly recommended to back up your important data such as photos and videos. Everything on your smartphone will be erased to install a fresh copy of Lineage OS. Also, make sure to update your device to the latest firmware. Now, on your Android device, go to Settings, select Passwords and Accounts, and sign out from your Google account. Then remove biometrics such as login passwords or fingerprints. Then head over to the Android developer website and download the platform tools for your computer and choose your operating system. In my case, I'm using Windows 11. Now once it's downloaded, extract the zip file to the C drive. Now within this folder, you will find the ADB and Fastboot commands. Now let's add this path to the system environment to access them from anywhere. To do so, highlight the address bar, then type env in the search bar and open it. Then click on Environment Variables, select the Path option, click Edit, create a new variable and paste this path. Now open the command prompt or Windows terminal and type this command to check the ADB version. It should display the information about the command indicating that the path has been added successfully. Next up, go to this link and download the Google USB driver. Once the download is complete, extract the zip file. Now inside this folder, find the file named Android_WinUSB. Right-click on it and select Install to set up the USB driver. Then go to the official Lineage OS website, click on Get Lineage OS and search for your device. I will be using the Nothing Phone 1 as an example. I'm going to open this link in a new tab to download the required files. Now the time of recording this video, Lineage OS 22.1 based on Android 15 is the latest available build. I will download all these files and place them into a folder for easier navigation. Then for the installation instructions, click on Installation for your device. Now follow these instructions carefully. If you have a different device, please refer to its corresponding instructions. Then ensure your device is running the latest firmware. Now connect your Android device to the computer via USB port. And the next step tells you to unlock the bootloader. To do so, on your smartphone, navigate to the About page and tap on the build number 7 times to activate the developer options. Now go to the System, Developer Options, and enable OEM unlocking and USB debugging. On your Windows computer, open Command Prompt or Windows Terminal. Enter this command ADB devices. Then on your smartphone, you may see an authentication prompt. Click on Allow. Now you should see your device is recognized by ADB. Now type this command to reboot your device into the fast boot mode. Then type Fastboot devices. You should see your device recognized by Fastboot. In case it doesn't, open Device Manager, select Other Devices, and right-click on Android and update the driver. Now follow the on-screen instructions to manually update the Google USB driver that we extracted earlier. Now if I type Fastboot devices, and you can see the device has recognized by Fastboot. Then type this command to unlock the bootloader. After executing this command, you may see a prompt on your smartphone. Now use the arrow keys on your device to select the Unlock Bootloader option and press the power button to confirm. And that's it, you have successfully unlocked the bootloader. If your device boots into the stock Android OS, you need to put the device into the fast boot mode again. To do this, restart your phone and keep holding the volume down button to enter fast boot mode. It's time to flash additional partitions and custom recovery. Navigate to the directory where you placed all the files inside the command prompt. Then using the installation instructions, I'm going to follow each step to flash additional partitions. Finally, I'm going to paste this command to flash the Lineage OS recovery. After that, type this command to reboot into new recovery mode. It's time to install Lineage OS. Choose Factory Reset using the volume keys and press the power button. Now select Format Data and press the power button to factory reset the device. This will also remove device encryption. Now once it's done, go back to the main menu, select Apply Update, and choose Apply from ADB. Now enter this command and use the LineageOS zip file and then press Enter to flash it. This will take approximately 10 minutes. Sit back, relax, and please be patient. After some time, you will see this thing on your device that allows you to flash the additional packages such as Google applications. If you don't want to install gaps, select No to reboot into LineageOS. And for those who want to install Google applications, choose Yes to reboot your device back to the recovery mode. Now inside the command prompt, you may see an error message. Don't worry, the LineageOS installation was successful. Then go ahead and click on the next step and click this link to download the latest Google applications. Since I have installed LineageOS 22.1 based on Android 15, I will choose this package. Then place the gaps where LineageOS is present on your computer. Now on your Android device, choose Apply Update and Apply from ADB. In the command prompt, run this command to set up gaps. You may see a signature verification failed message on your device. Simply choose Yes to finish sideloading Google applications. Now choose Reboot to start your device booting into LineageOS. Then remove the USB cable. Now go ahead and set up your Android device. Now as you can see, Google Play Store is now installed. And that's pretty much it. This is how you can install LineageOS on any compatible Android device. Please check the description for more information and don't forget to read the official LineageOS installation instructions for your specific Android device. If you have any questions or queries, do post them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. This has been KSK Royal. I will see you in the next one.